Imagine you're in a financial pickle. Bills are piling up and there's no money in sight. You need a quick cash infusion, but traditional loans seem too complicated and time-consuming. Have you ever heard someone say, "Hey, I can float you a loan?" If you've wondered what that means, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal lending and explore what it means to float someone a loan. Understanding the basics. A float, in this context, doesn't refer to a buoyant object. Instead, it's a term used to describe a temporary loan, often from a friend, family member, or acquaintance. Unlike formal loans from banks or credit unions, FloatMe loan arrangements are typically less structured and involve fewer legal formalities. Key characteristics of FloatMe loan arrangements. Informal. No contracts or legal documents are usually involved. Personal. Based on trust and relationships. Flexible. Terms and conditions are often negotiable. Unsecured. No collateral is required. Why would someone choose a FloatMe loan over a traditional loan? There are several reasons why someone might opt for an informal loan. Speed. FloatMe loan arrangements can be completed much faster than traditional loans. Accessibility. They're often available to people who may not qualify for traditional loans. Flexibility. The terms can be tailored to the borrower's specific needs. Privacy. There's no public record of the loan. Potential risks and considerations. While FloatMe loan arrangements can be convenient, it's important to be aware of the potential risks. Lack of legal protection. If the borrower defaults on the loan, the lender may have limited legal recourse. Interest rates. While interest rates may not be explicitly stated, it's important to understand the implicit cost of the loan. Strain on relationships. Financial disagreements can sometimes strain personal relationships. Best practices for FloatMe loan arrangements. To minimize risks and ensure a smooth experience, consider these best practices. Clear communication. Discuss the terms of the loan, including the amount, repayment schedule, and any interest or fees. Written agreement. While not legally binding, a written agreement can help prevent misunderstandings. Reasonable expectations. Set realistic expectations for repayment and avoid making promises you may not be able to keep. The future of FloatMe loan arrangements. As technology continues to evolve, we may see new platforms and services that facilitate informal lending. However, the core principles of trust, flexibility, and personal relationships will likely remain the foundation of FloatMe loan arrangements. So, the next time you hear someone say, "I can float you a loan," you'll have a better understanding of what that means. Remember, while these informal loans can be helpful in a pinch, it's important to weigh the benefits and risks before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.